Okay, here we have the first unboxing for the new channel. Me, 44 years old, and we're expecting our first child. Don't really know what I'm doing. I'm sure I'll figure out. How hard can it be? This is the first purchase from Amazon. Not the first purchase, but the first video. Let's have a look what's inside. Ah yes, I remember ordering this. This is the Maternity seatbelt adjuster. Stop you crushing the fetus in a head-on collision. Let's have a look what's inside the box. Instructions. Loads of instructions, always a bit annoying. Swanky bag. Drawstring for extra reliability. Should have written a script. Here we go. So here we go. So that goes on the front of the seat. This goes underneath and round, so that's there securely. Then when you put the seatbelt on, that's between your legs, goes down the seatbelt. There's no pressure on the stomach for my beautiful wife. Okay, I'll do another upload of it when I've fitted it to the car. Thanks for watching. So there it is. There's the seatbelt, just tucks into that, off the belly. Nice.